SPY is consolidating on the 1 minute and respecting the 9 to the downside. All right. Yep, SPY. Touching the 9 again right here.
Order filled.
Gonna go small on this on SPY. See if it's gonna reject the 9. It did. Taking it.
Order filled.
$225. Now up 2,779 and 80 cents for the day. That was only off 3 contracts going small. Just gonna take bits. Get in, get green, get out. Oh, look at that flush. That's a beautiful flush. Anybody get that off the 9 of SPY on that pull there? That was nice.
I did, Coach. Thanks.
Yes. That was beautiful, right? Just that little bit. Little dab will do you, baby. Right here again, SPY consolidating, respecting the 9. Still
It
heavy.
breaks this level, Coach, 684 cents.
Yep, I've got
Next.
688 cents marked on my screen. Yep. And then I'm looking at a pull to 600.
That would be nice.
Yes, it would. I'm looking for SPY to pop back up again, touch the 9. I'll grab some more short this thing with a stop just above it. That's my next trade setup. If this breaks below 601, I'll go short. Otherwise, I'm waiting. Remember, I'm going to go small here again. Small position size. It's in this little consolidation area. There it goes. I'm going to get a little bit.
Order filled.
There it goes. Nice. I'll take it.
Order filled.
$75. Something small. Looks like I got a bad fill. I think it took 80 bucks from me. 28.08. Nice pull right there. Look at that pull. There's that 688. Watch for a bounce right here. Be careful. If it breaks through that, I'm going to hammer those to 600.
Order filled.
A minute. Looking for a flush here. It's riding it. Needs to get a little heavier here. There it goes. There it goes. I'll take
Order
it.
filled.
It's 1,000. Now up 3. Well, it gave me 3,516 for the day. There's that bounce. Now, the reason I got out of that instead of letting that flush all the way to 600, did you guys see how it started to hesitate? Did you guys see why it was choppy chop right there? And I said, no, I don't like it. So I took my money, which was 1,000, ended up only collecting 500 or whatever it was, but still, that was the trade.